Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Finnish authority or the Finnish courts has set May 2025 as the deadline for the trial of Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafran government in exile. That's what we're going to talk about right now. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Prime Minister of Biafran government in exile, Simon Ekpa, who was arrested recently in Finland for alleged terrorism-related activities, is scheduled to face charges in May 2025, potentially, according to the Finnish authorities. A senior detective superintendent at the Finland's National Bureau of Investigation, Mikko Laaksonen, confirmed to the Punch via email on Tuesday that the district court had set May 2025 as the deadline for prosecutors to present possible charges against Ekpa. Giving an update on the case in response to the Punch inquiries, Detective Laaksonen noted that the investigation was ongoing and that no further details could be disclosed. Asked when Ekpa's case would come up in court, he replied, and I quote, "Due to ongoing investigation, no further details can be disclosed. The date for bringing up possible charges by the prosecution was set by the district court to May 2025. End of quote. Now, this detective noted that Ekpa and the Finnish authorities may request a re-evaluation after 2 weeks. Speaking further, the detective said, in a basic situation regarding the remand, the next possible hearing can be held no earlier than 2 weeks from the previous hearing, should the parties in question seek for the matter to be re-evaluated by the district court, the detective explained to Punch newspapers. Now, what are the implications of this? What are the implications of this latest development from Finland? In my own understanding, the implication of holding Simon Ekpa the next year is that there's a long-term and short-term implication. But the short-term implication will be that his supporters, who are hoping that he's going to be the one to lead the declaration of Republic of Biafra on December 2nd, they will be hugely disappointed, because from this report, it is obvious that he will not be around this Christmas. He will not be around by this December to be able to be part of it in whatever capacity. Because I understand that many of them are looking forward to him doing live streaming or whatever they plan to do to declare the state of Biafra, whatever they wanted to do in respect of that. Okay? Because That has been an issue that has been circulating on social media, that they're going to declare state of Biafra on December 2nd. So that will be one of the short-term implications to his supporters, those who believe in what he's doing as part of the restoration of the defunct Biafra. Now, the issue of declaration of Biafra on December 2nd has also attracted the attention of the lawyer of indigenous people of Biafra, Ejiofor, who has distanced IPOB from the rumors circulating on social media about the Biafra declaration. And he's telling everybody that that day will come and go. There will be no violence, there will be peace. Okay, but he made it clear that residents of Southeast should reject baseless claims, according to a statement he issued on Monday, that they should reject what he terms baseless claims surrounding the declaration of Biafra on December 2nd, emphasizing that freedom cannot be achieved through violence. That's the lawyer of IPOB, Ejiofor. In other words, saying that IPOB is not involved in Ekpa's plan to declare declaration of Biafran Republic in December 2nd. Now, what are the other implications from the story we just heard from Punch? Now, you can see that this is a civilized society. The court gave the prosecutor May 25, 2025, May 2025, to come up with the charges against this man and the 4 others. You know why they did that? So that if after that May 2025, they cannot be able to present anything, then they have no case against him. So he has given them a long rope to present whatever is the terrorism charges they have against him, that they must present it by May 2025. So it's not like a open check that they used to give to prosecutors in Nigeria. They can just keep somebody away and nobody cares. All they will say is that they are investigating, and you wouldn't know what they are investigating. So the onus is now on those who are arrested him and those who charge him to present the evidence to the court. And from my understanding of this story, the court has given a deadline in which whatever you have against him, you have to present it. But there is something that Punch did not do, which I found very surprising. Because I had expected that Punch, having the opportunity of speaking with or having an email exchange with the detective in charge of the case, that they would have asked him, is Samuel Ekpa still in detention? Because that's very important. Because are they saying that he will continue to be in detention until May next year? Is that what this means? I mean, Punch ought to have done better than what they did. They ought to have found out. Because it is surprising that because he is a citizen of Finland, and Finland is part of the European Union, and the Ekpa himself has not been accused of any act of terrorism in Europe before that will warrant him being in detention this long, up to May 2025. That's ordinarily I would have expected Punch to find out why is he still in detention or he has been released. Because that's some of the things that people are also interested to know. Because this is an issue that has attracted Nigerian and international attention. It was one area that Punch fell to do due diligence, as far as I can see. Because when you have such an opportunity, you're supposed to ask that kind of question to know whether he has been released. Is he going to remain in detention until they finish the investigation and present him in court by May 2025? Or he had to go home? Because for most cases in Europe and United States, you don't have to hold the person unless the person poses a security risk for you to detain somebody like that. I know that they say that they detain him and 4 others for alleged activities related to terrorism. And he was not accused of participating in any terrorist activity in Finland or in any European Union country or in any Western world. Really, that's what I found. That's the lacuna I discovered from the exchange between the detective in Finland and the Punch newspaper in Lagos. But we'll keep you posted whatever development comes up on Simon Ekpa in respect of his arrest in Finland over alleged activities related to terrorism. What do you think about what the court have said that May 2025 is the deadline for the prosecutors to present whatever allegation or charges that they have against Simon Ekpa, comparing it to what we get here in Nigeria? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.